We're in Ladder's offices in Ystradgynlais to have a look at the energy improvement projects that have been completed. We've been successful in obtaining £1.4 million from the Shared Prosperity Fund, and we've used this money to carry out energy efficiency improvements within the Powys corporate portfolio. And we've really tried to ensure that the energy improvements are being completed in a variety of buildings throughout the whole of Powys. I work within the Strategic Property Department, and our team have worked with the officers within the consultancy department to manage these different projects. So the different projects could be things like the installation of solar panels, LED lightings, new windows and doors, new boilers and the associated building management systems, EV chargers and lots more as well.
In Ladder's offices, we have completed 3 separate projects to improve the energy efficiency of the building. First, we have upgraded a total of 95 lights to LED throughout the building. To generate our own electric on site, we've installed 22 kilowatts of solar PV and 28 kilowatts of battery, allowing us to retain the electric generated from the weekends and out of hours. We've also undertaken fabric improvements to the building, with 54 windows being upgraded to double glazing, therefore preventing the previous drafts and making the building more energy efficient. As a result of these works, we are looking to submit an application to the Welsh Government for a low-carbon heating grant. We will replace the end-of-gas boilers with air source heat pumps. We will also be improving the heating controls to ensure we have better control of the heating system, so we can reduce timings and manage temperatures. We're here on the roof of Llywodraeth House, where we have completed 3 carbon-saving projects. First, we've installed 111 kilowatts of solar PV and 110 kilowatts of battery storage, which will help generate significant electric and help with the self-sufficiency of this building. We've also replaced the end-of-life heating pumps and the building management system, which will reduce our gas consumption and help with the heating in this building. We've installed 6 electric vehicle charge points. The charge points will help support the shift from fossil fuel vehicles and will be used by staff, Powys fleet and our own tenants.
The works completed have not only replaced end-of-life assets such as windows, doors, boilers, we've also estimated that the completed works could result in approximately 323 tonnes of carbon reduction per annum and £183,000 of revenue savings per year, which is just phenomenal.